Aside from the intense stare, right, the gaze that you see right off the bat, and that she's probably about 2 feet taller than she was perhaps in real life, what I found the most impactful are the images on the rear of the figure, which portray the basically what would have been a poster for a slave sale. And it's hard to see that. Art is a powerful tool for transmitting a sense of culture, a sense of one's place in a society, a sense of belonging to that society, a sense of one's place in the narrative. And I think that the more we emphasize the reality of that, the more we're able to continue to bring forth the history. Hopefully that will positively impact not just the minds of the communities from which this art comes, but from the community as a whole, to have a more realistic sense of our history.